Let's do some those things that they have some sounds and kind of match to it.
Plug. Plug.
I can pronounce it a duck. Did you know that? See? Told you.
Aww.
I can beat too. See? Wow, my impersonation's pretty good, huh?
A few moments later.
Sounds pretty good. Pretty good, huh?
Huh? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Didn't know how to predict that one, huh?
Yippee!
We'll do that again. Ow. Watch. Oh boy. Excuse me. Oops. Didn't shoot. Eh. A little bit afterwards, wasn't it? Yeah. Oh. I wonder why. Whoa. Oh. It's me, Mario. I didn't do that, did I? No. No. Ain't me. I don't know what the heck's going on here, you guys. Oh, excuse me. I wasn't even in motion, you know. Oh dear. Shot to the head.
Another one.
All right.
Can
Can I get that again? One more time. Ooh, so. Wow. Okay. Well. Guess I was sliding around, huh? Alright. I have an idea. I'm going to stop now, and I hope you enjoyed these. Have a good day, and have a good Halloween, y'all. Okay, bye.